Welcome back to First Time Feast. I'm Bobby Perko. Fall is in the air. It is nice and chilly outside. That means it's sweater weather, ladies.
About time. It's about time. Sweater weather. Finally, sweater weather. Sweater weather.
So we're gonna go ahead and bring you a good one today. We're gonna give you a fall favorite classic with some cinnamon pumpkin waffles. Let's get it. Now I'm gonna show you where pumpkin spice comes from. Pumpkin spice.
Get you a can of pumpkin puree from the store, measure out a half a cup, ready to rock.
Broke it. That would have been nice.
As for the milk, you're going to want to measure out a cup and a half. Get all of your liquids into the bowl first. It's going to help make the consistency a lot better for mixing.
Now we're going to do 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And now we got to add our eggs. So go ahead and use your Vital eggs. These are some bullshit-free eggs.
When it comes to measurements, I kind of just eyeball stuff, so use your best judgment here.
Cool. Love it. So we're going to add a splash of vinegar. Yeah, vinegar. You want vinegar. We're going to add a splash of vanilla. Splash. We're going to go about a teaspoon of pumpkin spice. And then we're gonna go with some cinnamon and nutmeg.
Go ahead and give a quick mix to your seasonings and pumpkin guts, and now we're gonna move on to the dry ingredients. This was an absolute struggle. Honestly, this shouldn't have been this hard.
Also spill it everywhere.
I gave up on trying to measure. Honestly, we're gonna be going with about 2 cups of flour here. Or just pour in the whole bag. I had to bust out my emulsion blender because you want to make sure there's no clumps or bumps.
Silky smooth. So now we're gonna add a half a cup of sugar. Minus the wind, a 1/4 cup of sugar.
Preheat your waffle iron. This is probably the cheapest waffle iron in existence, but it'll get the job done. Lube it up with some Pam, and we're gonna get ready to pour them out.
On to making waffles. So grab your 1 cup measuring cup and go ahead and ladle it out. It's gonna make the perfect waffle every time.
Be careful not to overfill because it will create a big mess. Close the lid and let these cook for roughly 2 to 3 minutes. I'm not a big pumpkin person, but these were freaking delicious. Before these things finished up, I poured on some melted butter and then I hit it with a little bit of cinnamon and sugar. The first waffles are finally done. Time to pull them off and get ready for a taste test. We can't forget about the syrup. Let's go ahead and fill every square. If you stuck around this long, do me a favor, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out.
All right, so we got our pumpkin spice waffles. Let's give them a try. Man, these look so freaking good, guys. Look at this. This is like picturesque. Almost looks like a honeycomb. It's golden, it's brown. You can see that flakes of the cinnamon and the nutmeg popping through there. We got this thing slathered up in some butter and some syrup. We got to get after this thing, guys. All right, let's go. Oh my gosh. It's so fluffy, it's so crispy. All that pumpkin spice coming through there. It's warm, it's moist. Unbelievably good, guys. Thanks for watching today's episode. Super easy thing to make. Thanks for tuning in. If you want to see more recipes, let me know what you want to see on my channel. Comment down below. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all of the places. Let's get it.